abort. What the fun of wind?
Wow.
Try to do another night fishing.
All right. Nice.
Kind of messy up there. Kind of windy, man. Oh, it died.
Whoa.
Did my battery fall off?
No?
Oh no, it's okay.
Need a catch?